Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing worksheet number 13, that is of chapter number 8. We have already finished all the exercises of chapter number 8. Now we will be doing this worksheet. Given here is an interesting division puzzle. You need to begin with the entry box and move through the division sentence that leaves a 0 as the remainder. So here what you have to do is, here you have to solve this puzzle. This puzzle is given to you and you have to enter the box. So here as you can see that there are two ways to enter, this one or this one. Okay, move through the division sentence and then you have to move. Which one is giving remainder as 0? So you have to solve these two sums, then only you can see that which way you have to move. Okay, so that leaves a 0 and remainder. Go ahead and find your way to the exit. So you have to reach here by solving these division sentences and then you can move to exit. So here for enter there are two ways, 21 divided by 7 or 86 divided by 3. So I have written this worksheet you will be doing in book also and in notebook also. So for this I have written as there are two ways, 21 divided by 7 and 86 divided by 3. So I have written these two sums in the notebook, 21 divided by 7 and 86 divided by 3. So 21 comes in the table of 7 at 3. So 21 minus 21 is 0. Okay, 21 comes in the table of 7 at 3. And 86 divided by 3, 8 doesn't come in the table of 3. So we will write 6, smallest one, and 8 minus 6 is 2. 6 we will bring down. 26 doesn't come in the table of 3. So we will write 24, the smallest number than 26. 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So 24 comes in the table of 3 at 8. So here as you can see we are having remainder 2 and here we are having remainder 0. So what you have to do here is we have to write. Okay, so now as you can see here we have solved this one, r. We will write r is equals to 0 here, and here I have got r is equals to 2. Okay, if you want to write the this one 3 and this one is your 28. So how you will move this one? Now here this one as you can see, so it is already given, means that you will be moving this side now. Okay, so you will be moving this side. It means that you will be moving. Now 21/7 is having two ways, either 75 by 6 or 87 by 3. Okay, 27 by 75 by 6 or 87 by 3. So I have written both the questions here. 75 by divided by 6. 7 doesn't come in the table of 6, so we will write 6 here at 1, and 5 we will bring down. 7 minus 6 is 1, so 15 doesn't come in the table of 6, so we will write 12. Now 5 minus 2 is 3 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So as you can see here the remainder is 3. Here remainder is 3, but in this 87, 8 doesn't come in the table of 3, so we will write 6. So now 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 we will bring down. 27 minus 27 is 0. Okay, 6 come in the table of 3 at 2 and 27 come in the table of 3 at 9. As you can see this remainder is 0 here. So how you will move here? Now this one, okay, 87, 3 got remainder 0. So we will write here. So we will move it like this. Okay, so you will move it like this way. Now 87 by 3. Oh sorry, here you have to move 87. This one is wrong, sorry, I will rub this one here. Okay, 87 by 3. So now 87 is having two ways, 61 upon 6 or 74 upon 2. Okay, so now what you will do is, like this way you are going. Okay, so now 87 by 3, so we will solve these two, 61 by 6 or 74 by 2. For your benefit I have written all the sums that we will be doing. Okay, so now as you can see here 61 by 6, yes, 61 by 6 and this 74 by 2. So 61 doesn't come in the table of 6, so we will write 60. 60 does come in the table of 6 at 10, so we will write 1 minus 0 is 1, 6 minus 6 is 0. So we will have written 10 here. 74 by 2 now. 7 doesn't come in the table of 2, so we will write 6 here. 7 minus 6 is 1, 4 we will bring down. 14 minus 14 is 0, 0. 6 come in the table of 2 at 3 and 14 come in the table of 2 at 7. Okay, so now as you can see remainder here is 0 and here is 0, 1. So I have already colored this part. So we will be moving this here, this the part. So now 74 by 2 is also having two sums, 65 by 5, 65 divided by 5 or 35 divided by 2. So we will solve this part also. So 65 divided by 5, 35 by 2. Which one is getting 0? You will color that part, okay, that point, and then you will get the answer. Okay, like this you will solve your question. If this one is correct, so you will color this one. If this one is getting remainder as 0, so you will color this one. If this one is getting the remainder 0, so you will color this one. Like this you have to solve each and every question. I have written like this so that it will become more easy for you people to solve it. Okay, so these part you have to solve it and you have to color in the book. Okay, so next thing is, question is quite easy. Identify the dividend divisor in the division statement below and solve the division statements and write the quotient and the remainder also. So first one I have done for you. You know already this question, but I will repeat it for you. 32 divided by 4. So 3 is smaller than 4, so we will write 32. 32 come in the table of 4 at 8, so we will write 0. 32 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 8. So here which one is your dividend? Dividend is 32, divisor is 4, and then here the quotient is 8 and remainder is 0. So you can check here. Like this you have to do this question, 65 by divided by 9. Okay, now the next question that you have to do is solve the division problems in the grid below. So these problems you have to solve, each and every problem you have to solve, and color the boxes according to the instruction to get a picture. So when you will color these boxes, you will get a picture here. Okay, so now first question that I have solved for you is 619 divided by 3. So 619, 6 comes in the table of 3 at 2, so we have written 2 here. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 we will bring down, as 1 we have brought down, so it has become now 1 is smaller than 3, so we have to bring 9 also down, so it is 19 now. 19 doesn't come in the table of 3, so I have written 18. 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and here it will come 6. Okay, 206. So remainder here is 1. So now we have to read this instruction. If the remainder is 0, color the box brown. You can color the box brown. If the remainder is 1, color the box red. So as I have got 1 as remainder, so I have to color this box red. So I will bring this. Please use pencil color because it will look nice. So you have to color this box now properly. So you will color this box like this, whole box. Six 119 divided by 3, so like this you will color this box. Okay, now next one you can solve this one. 843 divided by 6. I am doing 546 divided by 5. 546 divided by 5. Now 546 divided by 5, 5 does come in the table of 5 at 1, so I have written 1 here. 4 you will bring down, 4 is smaller than 5, you have to bring 6 also down, so I have written 0. When you bring two numbers together, you have to write 0 here. 46 doesn't come in the table of 5, so we will write 45. Again 45, so here you can see 45 come in the table of 5 at 9, so we will say remainder is 1. Again the remainder is 1, so we will use red color. But it doesn't mean that every time you are getting the remainder 1, you will be getting remainder 2 also, then you have to put the box in green color. If the remainder is 3, color the box purple. If the remainder is 4, color the box orange. Okay, please use these instructions. I will be solving this question only, other question you will be solving and find out the remainder and then color these boxes, and then you will get the proper clear picture. So let me do this one for you people. I will color this also red because my remainder is 1 again. Because my remainder is 1, that's why I am coloring this box as red. If I have got remainder as 0, so I will be coloring that box brown, and if I will get the this other remainders, then I will be using different colors. Please do remember this thing, don't use single color. Okay, and please use pencil colors so that it will look more clear to you. So this one like this, Now the last question, I have written your homework like this so that you people can solve, there will be no problem. Like this I have written all the question, and question number 4 I have given you homework. So I will write it down here. Rohit and Sheenam wants to make bracelets. Rohit has 62 beads and Sheenam has 74 beads. Okay, so they are making bracelet and both of them have different numbers of beads. So first question is, how many beads do they have in total? Total. So total number of beads, how you can find? You have to add these two numbers and then you will be able to find the total number of beads. How many bracelets can they make if each bracelet has 5 beads? Okay, so how many bracelet they can make? So now what you will do, 62 plus 74, whatever answer you are getting, you will divide it by 5. Okay, you will divide it by 5, these two totals, okay, sum of these two numbers, then you will divide this with 5 and then you will get how many number of bracelets that they can make. And if there is any remainder, you can write here how many beads will be left. So it will be, you will write it by yourself, the remainder you will write it here. So this one is quite easy question. I hope that you people will be able to understand this worksheet. Bye bye students, please complete this worksheet by tomorrow. Bye bye.